In this video, we're going to look at the modifier called Triangulate, and so it does pretty much what it says. It converts everything in it to triangles. So if I click Apply with that modifier, and I tab into my edit mode, I can see that it made all my objects into triangles here. You notice that in an earlier one we had it made everything into quads, and this one does triangles. Quads and triangles are used for different purposes, and you can get lots of opinions on it in general. Quad polygons are considered really good for modeling and keeping them as quads, and avoiding n-gons, meaning more than 4 sides. Just if you're trying to do a really nice model for something. Part of that is, one, it's faster to work with, where you only have 4 sides for each shape. You're getting rid of a whole nother line, edge to keep track of. You get a better curve of the surface. You get a little bit more detail as you go. And in some cases, though, triangles work best because there's certain types of applications that use those to calculate things fast. Back in the day, it used to be that the early three-dimensional video game systems, most of those could only use triangle polygons, 3 vertices. It wasn't until the Nintendo 64 came out at the consumer level where you had a video game system that could do quads, and that's the way it worked. And of course, it could do triangles, but it would duplicate vertices for that. And so they looked at shapes a little bit differently, calculated a little bit differently. You need twice as many triangle polygons as you do quads to make the same surface area. So they work a little different, used for different purposes, but a lot of it deals with how you're modeling shapes, what you want to be able to use those for, and following best practices with whatever workflow that you need. That's all for this one.